Hello, today we will be reviewing over the class schedule tool located on ASU-Beebe's website. It's a helpful tool if you want to research details on a class you may be taking. First, at the top of a new tab, we're going to type in asub.edu. Once the ASU-Beebe homepage appears, we're going to go to Academics, then we're going to go to Course Schedule. Once the class schedule page loads, there's many options to review over, such as the course name, the campus you want to choose from, the term, the department, the time, and what day of the week you want your class to be. For this example, I'm going to search for Beebe classes during the fall 2019 term. And then I'm going to hit View Schedule. As soon as the list of classes appear, as you can see, there are many sections for us to go over at the bottom, such as the course code, the class section, the course name, how many seats are in total in the class, the number of seats registered, the campus the class is on, the term, the instructor of the class, the start and end time, the room and building number, what days the class meets, how many hours it is, and the start and end date of that class. We will review over the red book link in another video. Next, if you click the course name, you get a summary of that class. If you're unsure on what these building codes mean, click on the building codes and they will tell you. Lastly, if you click where it says Beebe in bold, in a new tab, a PDF of the campus map will appear. That was how to look up details on a class using the class schedule tool on the ASU-Beebe website. If you have any other questions, please feel free to come by the Vanguard Technical Support Center, give us a call, or send us an email. Thank you, and have a great day.